Okay, I have an iPad Air charge port flex. While I'm setting up my equipment, I don't expect that I'll be using hot air in this video, but that's what it would be, generally speaking, if I did. I probably won't be using the micro pencil either, unless we have to run jumpers, which I do not anticipate. Alright, first thing I want to do, just as a general practice, is I want to get rid of anything that can cause other complications. Even though we're not using hot air, we are working directly on the other side of this area. So let's get rid of all the stickers. Alright, that's good. Probably be one on the back of the port here. We'll try and save it, but can't always do that with some of them. Can't save it, we'll just use Kapton in its place. One more thing I need to remove off there before we get going too far. And that is this plastic piece of hair. I don't need random shards of glass anywhere. Huh, wonder what this one was in for. See if I can save that's adhesive. I do want to put that on the new one. Okay, anything else? No. We do need to get it in the board holder a little bit better. Okay. We'll do what we normally do. Well, I'm always refining my technique for this, but I am going to use low melt and my iron to remove this port just because I have done it without doing low melt and it's doable, but I like the ease in which it comes off with low melt. And I don't, as I have said many times, I don't mind wicking. I know how to wick. If you have any trepidation about wicking, I don't advise you use low melt in this case, but you have to be a lot more careful in how you pull it if you don't. So it's a trade-off. Alright, let's get our fume extractor going. Things out of the way that do not need to be in the way. And my irons come unplugged. That's cool. Not. Okay. Tweezers to pull this thing with. Pull out it first. Look how easy that's coming up. Takes seconds with low melt. So like I said, the drawback is you can't leave that on there. Alright, we're going to do some cleanup. Okay, let's get in here and wick all this low melt and unleaded solder up. Okay, let's grab everything I don't need to grab and nothing that I do. As always, you want to glide with pads and glide, and I mean glide. Don't scrub. There's no reason to put any pressure other than basically have the iron sit on top of the wick. If you're having to do more than that, then you don't have enough thermal transfer. You're not making it hot enough. Add a little bit of fresh flux so we can tin it up. Try to avoid it tinning up those alignment pins because I want to be able to see them. You'll still be able to see them with solder on them, but it just adds to the challenge. Alright. We will clean that off because I don't want to solder on top of all the old flux. Alright. Beautiful. Now put some fresh flux on. For placement. Look at those alignment. Nope, goes on this way. Which means I need to get rid of the sticker. Okay. Some assistance from our flux. Need to find the alignment point though. So I did not pre-plan this very well. I have the wrong iron sitting down here. Okay, let's realign this. Now what we want to do is tack it down. That was not very good. Move it over a bit. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now, let's get some flux in the matter. There's just a nice bead, and we'll go over it. Right here, we just kind of want to get some solder on them, and then we'll go pin to pin. Not worried about bridges too much at the moment. At the moment, but whew, this flex is straight garbage. Holy crap. Some of these flexes are pretty much garbage. You should not be coming up that freaking easy. Hot garbage. God dang it. Disgusting. Alright, it's probably going to be about as good as I can do it. Let's clean it off and give it a test. Alright, give it a quick test and then we'll give it a good cleanup. Situate this to a point where I can actually show you the testing. Somewhat. Okay, pass dock flex test. Alright, everything passed, but we'll confirm, but I'll show you that. Pass, okay, but we will confirm with a second test using the ICC Pro. I like double confirmation from two different sources. It's kind of nice. Not saying the ICC Pro is nice, but I like having two different sources. Okay, and as you can see, we are okay. Alright, that's really all I have to show you on this one. I'm just going to do the cleanup off camera. If you have any questions about the equipment I used in this video, they're all linked in the description below. Like the video if you would. Well, if you liked it, like it. If you didn't, heck, don't dislike it. That's fine. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Maybe hit the notification bell. See you next time.